Now let's go ahead and turn on. Oh, check that out, my friends. Check this out. That's right. You can see everything now. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you Eagle Vision LED off-road light bar. So the box came a little well open, but looks like everything is here. The bolts, the screws, mounting bracket, everything you need. So this is what the lights look like. So I can definitely imagine they're going to be super bright. Very simple, you just got a positive and negative wire. Same with the other light here. So they're very nice lights. They look really nice. So we're going to go ahead and install them. Show you how bright they look. They do supply you with a manual. If you're familiar with wiring, then it's no big deal, but they do provide you with a manual installation. Goes over a couple stuff. You can follow how they have it or do it your own way. That's going to be up to you, but they are nice looking. All right, my friends, so this is a full do-it-yourself kit. So you can put the brackets however you want. This is how we're doing it. We're putting the brackets facing inward. That's my personal preference. You could have them facing outward. Again, it's a full do-it-yourself kit. So the fun thing about it is you customize it however you want. It's your vehicle. All right, so we put it on our daily driver. As you guys can see, I put them at an angle, so when we're off-roading, the lights are pointed at a different slight angle to the left and to the right. That way we can see. All right, so we put our lights at an angle off to the side a little bit. That way when we are off-roading in our vehicle, that we can see to the left and right even clearer, wider angle. So let's go ahead. Now it's easy. You can use your own bolts, screws, whatever's gonna work for you. You know, if you're doing this, you pretty much know what you're doing most of the time. Just connect the positive to the positive, negative to the negative, run it up to your battery. Now if you run it directly to your battery, the lights are going to be on 24/7, so you're going to want to run it to a switch. You know, there's definitely how-to videos on running to switches and stuff, but yeah, let's go ahead and turn them on. So I hooked mine up to a switch right here, turn it on, and now the lights are on. So I'll have to show you guys at nighttime, but yeah, they are super bright. Gonna work great. All right, my friends, so this is our normal headlights. So there's our normal headlights. There's our marker lights, and that's off. Now let's go ahead and turn on. Oh, check that out, my friends. Check that out. That is our aftermarket lights. Look at that. We gotta get out here. Check this out. That's right. You can see everything now. Now let's go ahead and put our headlights on as well. All right, so now here's with our headlights on as well. So our headlights just add a little light. Isn't that not crazy or what? Let's turn off the aftermarket lights. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome, guys. Super, super bright.